Hi, nostalgic home cooks. Today I'm in the kitchen making easy pigs in a blanket appetizers. Golden flaky puffed pastry wrapped around savory, tender mini hot dogs, creating the perfect bite-sized appetizer for kids and adults alike. Baked to crispy perfection, these pigs in a blanket offer a satisfying crunch on the outside with juicy, flavorful meat on the inside. Ideal for any gathering, they're a delightful combination of simple ingredients that will disappear in no time. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make puff pastry pigs in a blanket. To start this recipe, I'm going to need to roll out the puff pastry. You can either use homemade puff pastry, or to make this recipe quick and easy, you can buy store-bought puff pastry in the freezer section of the grocery store. If you're using store-bought, allow the pastry to thaw and then roll it out into a thin rectangle. Slice into thin strips a little smaller than the length of the hot dogs that you'll be rolling. Then slice the strips long enough to just wrap around the hot dogs with a little extra to press together to seal. If you're not a fan of hot dogs, or if you want to make an assortment of puff pastry appetizers, you might want to swap them out for sausage, strips of chicken or steak, or cocktail sausages. To make some vegetarian options, try asparagus, zucchini, carrot, or vegetarian hot dogs. Just remember, these pastries don't take long to cook, so if whatever you're wrapping with the pastry has a longer cooking time, you'll have to fully cook them first. This will be the case for chicken, steak, and carrots. Now that my pastry is cut, I'm going to roll the hot dogs in the puff pastry until fully covered. Add a little water to both ends of the dough to seal. Repeat with the remaining hot dogs or your filling of choice until all the pastry is used up. Place these little appetizers on a lined baking sheet and allow them to rise in a warm spot for 30 minutes. You can brush the tops with an egg wash if you want them to be extra golden and glossy, but this step is optional. Bake in a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden. Then serve these bite-sized treats with your favorite dips. This is the perfect snack to serve at any get-together where finger foods are the star of the show. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.